Seeing that dreaded solid yellow light on your Verizon Wi-Fi extender? Don't panic, I'm going to show you the easiest fix in just a minute. First, let's make sure the extender is plugged directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using power strips or surge protectors for the initial setup. These can sometimes interfere with the power supply and cause that yellow light. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Now, we're going to give it a full power cycle. Wait a full 60 seconds. This allows the extender to completely reset. Count it down. 1001, 1002. Okay, 60 seconds is up. Now, plug the extender back into the wall outlet. Give it a few minutes to power on and reestablish a connection with your Verizon router. Keep an eye on the light. It may blink initially, but it should eventually turn solid white or blue, indicating a successful connection. If the light turns solid white or blue, congratulations! You've successfully fixed the yellow light issue. If it's still yellow after a few minutes, you might need to move the extender closer to your router or contact Verizon support for further assistance. But hopefully, this quick fix did the trick.